Civic leaders backed by human rights lawyers asked the Supreme Court to cancel the certificate of candidacy of Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. The group of former Supreme Court spokesperson Ted Teff files the petition for certiorari before the court Monday, May 16. The group argues Marcos Jr.'s conviction for failure to file income tax returns in 1997 made him ineligible to run for public office. The COMELEC already junked this case, saying the version of the tax law applicable to Marcos Jr. did not perpetually disqualify him from holding public office. Therefore, Marcos did not misrepresent in his COC. In a 70-page pleading, the group of TED tries to convince the High Court justices to have a different appreciation of their arguments. It says if the justices rule in the petitioner's favor and cancel the COC of Marcos Jr., the second placer in the vote count is actually the first placer among the qualified candidates. The formal request of the petition is actually to issue a temporary restraining order or stop the canvass of votes for Marcos Jr., grant their petition, and declare Marcos's candidacy as void. Meantime, Marcos Jr. secretly flies to Melbourne, Australia, according to initial reports from the Sydney Morning Herald and The Age. His spokesperson Vic Rodriguez confirms this in a press conference Tuesday, May 17, saying the Marcos family is there for a much-needed vacation. His youngest son Vincent is reportedly enrolling to study at the University of Melbourne.